Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study practice of medicine using an easy method. First, prioritize understanding the why behind medical conditions and treatments. This approach builds a strong foundation, making complex topics more intuitive. Next, actively test yourself with practice questions and flashcards. This method, known as active recall, significantly boosts memory retention compared to passive reading. Finally, start applying your knowledge to clinical scenarios as soon as possible. To make your study time more efficient, begin by creating your own summaries. Condensing information into a few key points helps solidify your understanding and makes review quicker. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing topics just before you might forget them, which is highly effective for long-term memory. Also, consider forming a study group. Discussing complex cases and explaining concepts to others can reveal gaps in your knowledge and strengthen your grasp of the material. Connecting your studies to clinical practice is crucial. When learning about a disease, think about how it would present in a patient and what diagnostic steps you would take. Practice interpreting common diagnostic tests, such as reading an electrocardiogram or understanding basic blood work. This helps bridge the gap between theory and application. Developing a systematic approach to patient cases will prepare you for real-world medical decision-making. Staying motivated throughout your medical studies is key to long-term success. Remember to prioritize your well-being by maintaining a balanced lifestyle, including adequate sleep and regular exercise to prevent burnout. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small, to keep your spirits high. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check out the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Investing in quality can make a big difference in your daily comfort and focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.